We are here today at Suntec City Convention Centre for Renopedia's Best of the Best Interior Design Carnival, featuring 12 of the best interior designers in Singapore today. Hundreds of the homeowners have already joined us today, and Excel Hardware is proud to have brought premium products into the homes of our customers. Such include top-of-the-end Korean design pole systems and premium home hardware. Excel Hardware is also happy to introduce a brand new product specially for this weekend's event, and that is the Panaseima massage chairs. Excel Hardware would like to thank Renopedia for a successful first event day and would like to shout out to all homeowners to join us tomorrow for the final day of our event. Suntec City Convention Centre Level 3, 22nd December. What are you waiting for? See you there! Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.